first thing that cursed Zimbabwe was ZANU's introducing the slogan of Pasi. That cursed Zimbabwe. And he should be ashamed of that. Anyone in ZANU-PF should be ashamed of that slogan. The slogan that says Pasi Naningi is a curse that will pay a heavy price for it as a nation. It must. Nangagwa shouldn't be the person today who speaks about nyika inovakwa nevanhu vai. He shouldn't. It does not. That is not in his DNA.
Yes.
Because the first thing what he has done since 2017 is to try now to squeeze out every Zulu speaking person. So whenever on the Vapi is avenging that the Mugabe was a Zulu, he ruled for 37 years. Therefore, he wants to rule for the next 37 years as a Karanga. That is not Venevayo. That is not Venevayo. Because the kingdom is creating, is saying now Venevayo Makaranga.
Yes.
Disregarding any other tribe in Zimbabwe. So I always listen to this slogan, Ndonzwa bvudzi rangu richisimuka. Kuti this man, the very same man who said is sending enough drums of DDT to go and wipe up cockroaches, meaning the Ndebele speaking people, that's a Senzenina.
Yes.
So neni, we nesiwenzileyo from Nangagwa to call us cockroaches. And they will come up today and they say, which people? That slogan should not be coming from, or that utterance should not be coming from Nangagwa's mouth. Anozviziva kuti ndiye ari kupatsanura vanhu veZimbabwe into pieces.
Yes.
Look what he has done since 2017. He does not recognize Manicaland. Let alone Mandebele. Those he called cockroaches. The Gukura wound, the coming in of Gukura wound was not the difference between Shona and Ndebele. It was between Zapu and ZANU. But he reduced that to kill a certain tribe, to completely wipe out a certain tribe. Senzenina, Sonenina. Majaivana says, Mazukite kanjani, hlabele kanjani, awusuwalapha, ngumzwa ngendaba. Is that what Nangagwa is telling the people today? No matter how you sing praise Nangagwa, as long as you are not coming from his clan, you are useless.
Yes.
You are not a human being. So, whenever you vanotaura ndevapi, we don't want to be emotional now about. We are talking about a man who, right through his life, who never enjoyed anything. Go to Joshua Nkomo's house today in Peranda. Is a monument. That's all the property has. Go to Machamthlope and look at that house. Look at, go closer. Those who are in Bulawayo or you are in Mashonaland, go to Machamtope and then look at Nkomo's house. A liter of Zapo. Look at yourselves. Go to Blue House and compare Blue House and the Machamtope. Look at Joseph Msiga. Which house does the Joseph Msiga have? Mzenda. Which mansion does Mzenda owns? Which one? Tell me. Iwe uri kumakaranga iko. Undiratidze kuti mansion ya Mzenda ndei. Because those were the leaders who started the liberation on the principles of Mwanawevu Danenhlabati. Power to the people, economy to the people. They surrendered everything they had for the benefit of every Zimbabwean.
Yeah.
Nuyauntaura kuti nyika inovakwa nevene vayo. Vapi? Vawakapedza kuuraya. Ndevapi vacho?